In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Airtable support. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get help quickly, whether that's through the built-in assistant or a human support agent. First, make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. Use the official website or the desktop app, and confirm you're in the correct workspace so the support team can better understand the context of your issue. Once you're in, you should land on your Airtable home screen, sometimes called the dashboard. This is where you can see your recent bases, workspaces, and any shared items. If you're not on the home screen, just navigate back to it from the main menu so everything is easy to access while you reach out. Next, look for the help icon. It appears as a question mark and is typically located in the upper right or lower right corner of the interface, depending on your screen size and the version you're using. Click that question mark to open the help panel. You'll see resources like guides and documentation, but for direct assistance, choose the option labeled Message Support. Selecting Message Support opens a chat window with Airtable's AI help bot. Start the conversation by briefly describing what you need. Clear, specific details help the bot assist you faster. Mention the name of the base or view you're working in, what you were trying to do, and what happened instead. If you saw an error message, include the exact wording. You can also note your browser or app version and when the issue started. Keep any private data out of the chat. Only share the context that's necessary to explain the problem. The AI bot will suggest steps, articles, or quick fixes based on your description. If the bot can't resolve it, it will automatically create a support ticket for a human agent. When that happens, expect a confirmation within the chat, and you may receive an email update as well. Response times can vary depending on your plan and the nature of the issue, but you'll be able to reply in the same thread to add more details or clarify anything the agent asks. That's the process from start to finish. Log in, open your dashboard, click the help icon, choose message support, start the chat with the AI bot, and let the system escalate to a human agent if needed. Follow these steps, share clear information, and you'll be on your way to a resolution.